Welcome to the Crypto Daily News. This podcast is created by Generative AI. Today is November 4th, 2024, and we're diving into the latest developments in the world of cryptocurrency and blockchain technology. As always, links to all stories can be found in the episode notes. Superstate has unveiled a groundbreaking upgrade to its tokenized treasury fund, USTB, introducing continuous pricing. This innovation allows investors to earn interest by the second and transact 24/7, bypassing traditional business hours. The investor portal now features a continuous NAS, updating every second, which simplifies the purchase and redemption process by eliminating the T+1 settlement cycle. This move aligns Superstate's products with the speed of DeFi systems, setting a new standard for digital-first investment products. The Ethereum network is gearing up for its Pectra upgrade in Q1 2025, featuring EIP 7702. This proposal aims to enhance the user experience for dApps by facilitating account abstraction, crucial for Web3 adoption. EIP 7702 introduces smart contract functionalities to EOAs, enabling transaction batching, gas sponsorship, and cross-chain capabilities. These improvements promise to boost usability, security, and flexibility for Ethereum users. The Argot Collective has emerged as a non-profit group focused on developing free software for Ethereum. Comprising former Ethereum Foundation employees, the collective will manage projects like Solidity, emphasizing open-source sustainability. Operating with a non-hierarchical governance model, they aim to foster diversity and decentralization within the Ethereum ecosystem, supported by a grant from the Ethereum Foundation. Justin Drake, an Ethereum Foundation researcher, has resigned from his advisory role at the Eigen Foundation following a conflict of interest controversy. Drake's decision underscores his commitment to Ethereum's core development as he steps away from external advisory roles. The Ethereum Foundation has since implemented a conflict of interest policy to prevent similar issues. Florida's chief financial officer announced the state's $800 million investment in crypto-related assets, highlighting its strategic approach to diversifying its portfolio. This move reflects a growing trend among government entities exploring digital assets, potentially setting a precedent for other states. Limit Break has launched Wrapped Native, enhancing Wrapped Ether's functionality for multi-chain operations. WNative simplifies integration across networks, reducing gas fees and enabling permissionless deployments. This innovation could have saved users millions in gas fees since the Ethereum merge, marking a significant step in cross-chain infrastructure development. A recent thread by KMS Smith DC recaps crypto policy developments in Washington, D.C. as Congress resumes. Crypto remains a key topic, with Vice President Kamala Harris advocating for innovation and consumer protection. The SEC continues its regulatory efforts, impacting firms like Galois Capital. As elections approach, crypto is becoming a focal point for political parties, with calls for regulatory clarity to foster innovation. That's all for today's episode of the Crypto Daily News. We hope you found these updates insightful. Don't forget to check the episode notes for links to all the stories we've covered. Join us next time for more on the ever-evolving world of cryptocurrency and blockchain. Stay informed and stay ahead.